Today, we are going to be showing you how to lay a porcelain patio with a step-by-step process that is easy to follow.
All you'll need is Ceram 62 bonding primer, Ceram 621 FlowFix jointing compound, porcelain tiles, a brush, bucket and sponge, and a squeegee, PPE including mask, gloves and goggles, a rubber mallet and a level. Before you begin, you'll need to ensure the ground is prepped for laying the porcelain slabs. A good sub-base is essential to ensure the slabs don't move over time. To mix the Ceram 62 bonding, simply add 20 kilograms of Ceram 62 FlowFix bonding primer to 4.4 litres of water. A key to achieving a professional finish is all in the surface preparation. See our online technical data sheets on the Everbuild website for our full advice on our recommended preparation and products. Brush the Ceram 62 bonding primer onto the slabbing. This creates a strong adhesion from the slabs to the mortar bed. Apply the primer at a thickness of 1 to 2 mm to the underside of the tile. Lay the porcelain slabbing level to the mortar bed using a rubber mallet and level. To mix the Ceram 621 FlowFix jointing compound, simply add 20 kilograms of powder to 3.2 litres of clean water. Before the mix is poured onto the slabs, spray the area with water. Pour the mix into the cracks and use a squeegee to spread the product across the slabs. Coverage is approximately 40 meters squared per 20 kilogram bag, with a depth fill of at least 20 millimeters. It can be used on joints between 3 to 10 millimeters wide. Ceram 621 FlowFix jointing compound is flowable and non-permeable, meaning it cures quickly and can be wiped down after just 30 to 60 minutes depending on site conditions.
We hope that you found this tutorial useful, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.